5 times August, Brad. Listen to these songs. Listen. It's amazing. 5 times August.
Hey. How we doing? We holding up? We hear you, DC?
Seem to be really focused on.
Check 1, 2. There we go. All right. This is a brand new song. This song's called Counterfeit World. We got counterfeit boys dating counterfeit girls, making counterfeit love in a counterfeit world. Counterfeit news for the actual fools who believe and obey all the counterfeit rules. Who's got the power? Who's got control? Who's talking truth? Does anybody know? Who's in the shadows? Who cuts the deals? Who writes the script? Is any of it real in this counterfeit world? It's a counterfeit world. Counterfeit seeds growing counterfeit food. Counterfeit meat tasting counterfeit good. Counterfeit drugs in our actual blood. We don't know what it means. We don't know what it does. Who's got the power? Who's got control? Who's talking truth? Does anybody know? Who's in the shadows? Who cuts the deals? Who writes the script? Is any of it real in this counterfeit world? It's a counterfeit world. All right. It's a long way back when you feel all the real is gone. It's a long way back when you feel all the real is gone. Who's got the power? Who's got control? We've got the power, so let's take control. We've got counterfeit gods for our counterfeit faith, counterfeit fear for the counterfeit slaves, counterfeit cash spent on actual crap. It's a genuine steal when it don't actually last. So who's got the power? Who's got control? Who's talking truth? Does anybody know? Who's in the shadows? Who cuts the deals? Who writes the script? Is any of it real in this counterfeit world? It's a counterfeit world. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you. It's an honor to be here with you. I've been waiting all day to play for you today. I'm excited to be on stage here. And thanks for hanging out. Thanks for staying strong. So while I have your attention, I'm going to play a song. Song that came out a few years ago that I wrote. And if you haven't heard the name Alexis Lorenz, I want you to look her up online, follow her story, support her, and realize that she is one of millions around the globe that have been injured by the medical establishment. And we are ruining an entire generation. And it is time to make America healthy again. And if you are a parent if you know somebody who is injured, not just through vaccines, but through all sort of big pharma crap, fight for them. This song's called Fight for You. And the lies, as they're holding back the truth, no matter what they try, I will always fight for you. I will save your innocence. They are trying to remove. I am here at your defense, and I will always fight for you. Yes, I will always fight for you. I will stand here in the way, and I will not give up on you. I will shield you from the pain. In the battle on the field, there is evil on the move, but I hope that you can feel that I will always fight for you. In the darkness of the times, there's a light that shines the proof. It'll soon reveal the crime, so I won't stop this fight for you. Yes, I will always fight for you. I will brave every attack, and I will not give up on you. I will always have your back. So every single mother, father, stand up for your sons and daughters. Do not back down, don't let up. You are all they have for honor, so make this a war to win. Look in their eyes and tell them that I will always fight for you. I will stand guard at the gate. I will not give up on you. I will stop each shot they take. 'Cause I will always fight for you. I will always fight for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.